In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music festival stickers to your video in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and add your video to the track. After that, go to the stickers tab in the toolbar. Scroll down and tap the music festival category. Browse through the available stickers and select the one that you like. Tap the add button to place the stickers on the track. Adjust the position and the size of the sticker in the previous screen. Drag the edges of the sticker layer on the timeline to set its duration. Consider adding multiple stickers. Just repeat the process of adding another one. Now to make it more dynamic, let's import music to our video. Go back to the Media tab, import your audio file. Once imported, add it to the track. Trim the audio track to match the video's duration. Once you're done, preview your video to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your final video. And that's it! You've successfully added music festival stickers in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing! If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!